First of all, I'd like to apologize for the audio on the video not working, but you can tell from the title that we're doing a TikTok transition known as the leapfrog. It's really not that difficult to do, and I've been using it a lot on my TikTok at Crispy Cobb if you want to go check it out. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll show you a little clip right here. Did you miss that? It was right here. Now let's learn how to do it. The first clip is very simple. I like to use a hat or a hoodie and duck down in front of the camera. Once I'm done with the first clip, I'll end up taking off the hoodie I was wearing, stuffing it with a pillow, and using it for the next clip. For the second clip, you're going to take that first hoodie you had on and hold the hood right over the camera so you can't see anything except for the hood. Then as you jump, you're going to throw that hoodie through your legs. Turn to a million, then we all rich. That's just... Let's see how it turned out. And there's Georgie from It. But the video turned out pretty good, and I hope it helps your guys' transition game and makes your videos look a lot cleaner. And like I said before, you can follow me on TikTok at Crispy Cobb. Also, please comment any transitions you guys might want me to teach you. This has been your boy Crispy Cobb. Peace.